Hi everyone. For today's video, let's discuss or conduct cross-tabulations and chi-square tests by using the data 1, C3, and there's capon in the column. So let's first take the analyze descriptive statistics and cross tabs. Then if you are confused, let's double click and select display variable names. And let's find the C3 capon. So let's click C3 capon, then let's put it in column. Then D3 degree, let's drag it in the row. Then click cells to show the percentage of cross-tabulations. And continue. Let's select all row, column total. Okay. Okay. So you can see the result of crosstabs is here. So the provided data presents a cross-tabulation of respondents' highest educational degree and their status on the death penalty for murder. So 65% of all respondents favor the death penalty, while 35 oppose it. As educational level increase, so you can see the percentage of respondents opposing the death penalty tends to rise. So, and less than high school, 57.2 favor, then 42.8 opposed. In high school level, 68.3% favor, 31.7 opposed. In junior college level, 74.3% favor, 25.7% opposed. In bachelor degree, 63.8 favor, 36.8% opposed. In graduate degree, 53.1% favor, 46.9% opposed. So the data suggests a correlation between educational attainment and views on the death penalty. Higher educational levels seems to correlate with increased opposition to capital punishment, indicating that educational background may influence ethical perspectives and beliefs about justice. So next, let's compute that or conduct the chi-square test. So let's go back to data view and let's click the analyze descriptive statistic, the cross tabs, then let's change it the row, observe, check, expected check, then continue. Then let's click the statistics, then click the chi-square, then continue, then okay. So this is the result of the chi-square chi-square test. So the person's chi-square asymptotic significance is 0.00. The p-value of 0.00, the chi-square test value is 35.590 with 4 degrees of freedom, and the p-value asymptotic significance is 0.00. This indicates a statistically significant association between educational attainment and opinions on the death penalty. So, the p-value of 0.00 indicates strong evidence against the null hypothesis this, since it's a lower than 0.05. So, which posits that there is no relationship between educational attainment and views on the death penalty. Thus, we can conclude that educational level significantly influences opinions on this issue. So we finish conduct the data one. So let's proceed to data two. So as the same process on data one, let's go to the analyze descriptive statistics. Then first tabs. Let's reset it because it's different. So we are so confused which in this list we're gonna use. So let's right click, then we choose the display variable names. So the data 2 is CI9 colon Gs. CI9 colon Gs, select, then drag to column. Then the row is D6 rays. D6 rays. So click the D6 rays, drag the rows. Then cells. To see the percentage of the cross tabulation. So continue. Okay. So the result of cross tabulation of the raise of respondents' confidence in Congress cross tabulation is here. Is the percent. So in white respondents, a majority of 57.8% express hardly any confidence in Congress, while only 4.3 have a great deal of confidence. In Black respondents, 40 and Black respondents show a higher percentage of those with a great deal of confidence of 10.0. So the black is higher than white because the black respondents is 10.0%, then while the white respondents is only 4.3%. But still, the black is predominantly lack of confidence. Then the other is similar to black respondents. Those in the other category have a slightly higher percentage of 8.2%. 8.2% expressing a great deal of a confidence. 8.1%. So the data indicates a significant lack of confidence in Congress among all race groups, with white respondents displaying the highest level of skepticism the findings. So next, let's conduct the chi-square test of this data tool. So click the analyze, descriptive statistics, cross tabs, then let's go to cells, let's uncheck this, then check the observed, expected, continue, then go to statistics, check the chi-square test, continue, and okay. So here the chi-square test result. So the chi-square test p-value is 47.828. with chi-square test value is 47.828 with the power with the degree with a degree uh, of freedom, and the p-value asymptotic significance is 0.000. So the chi-square test results strongly suggest that there is a significant relationship between the race of respondents and their confidence in Congress, given that the p-value is extremely low because it's zero point zero 0.00. We can reject the null hypothesis that there is no association. This indicates that different racial groups perceive their confidence differently, highlighting important demographic disparities that may reflect broader social and political sentiments. So that's all. And thank you for listening. I hope you learned something about how to conduct cross-tabulation and chi-square test using SPSS. That's all. Thank you.